Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page username. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Facebook application. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook page. Then tap on your profile icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Now tap in Search icon. In the search bar, type in name and perform a search. Tap on it. Now type in your new name. If you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. And if you are sure, tap on Review Change option. To save these settings, enter your Facebook password. Once you are done, tap on Save Changes option. And this is how you can change Facebook page username. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.